to open up Internet Explorer into a full screen, and that'll give us more of a viewing area. It will take away all our toolbars and we'll be able to see more of the page on our screen. What we do is we simply go up to View, and in the menu option on the bottom you'll see that we have an option to view it in full screen. If we click on that, we'll see that now our web page has increased to full size, and if we put our cursor up to the top, automatically our toolbar appears and we're able to type in new pages. Now there is an option to have a web page run in a full screen size without any toolbars, without any status bar even on the bottom. The way to do that is we would click on Run, and we're going to type in a web page, and we're going to set the parameter that it should open up in a full size. This is usually called a kiosk mode. If you want to have it running for any kind of presentation, that it should just be running in full size all the time, what we would do is we would type in iExplore, which is the name Explorer uses as the exe file, and then we put a space -k for kiosk, and then we put a space with the name of the web page. And we'll see that once the page loads with that setting, we'll see that it comes up as a full-size web page. Here we're viewing CNN, and we don't have any kind of toolbars or taskbars. If we go up, they don't appear. It's just a full-size screen for this web page. Now if we want to browse or go to another page, what we can do is we can right-click a link, and we'll have the option to open up that link in a new browser. We see that it says open in a new window. We'll have the option to open that link in a new window. If we just right click, the menu will appear, open in new window, and when we click on that, we're going to have a new browser open up. The only way to close the window in kiosk mode, because we don't have any of our toolbars, or there's no way to click on anything to close it, what we do is we press the Alt button and F4 at the same time. We hold down the Alt key and then hit F4, and that window will close.